In front of me is Nokia X20, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, reach settings, then find and select display and click on wallpaper. So it's under advanced right here. And now you can pick either something from your own photos or from the prepared something from the prepared albums. Let me choose, for example, art. As you can see here, you've got all the options, and maybe this one you can obviously check how it looks on your screen. You can also personalize it, but I don't like this one, so let me change it. Maybe this one. And now this is how it will look on your home screen, and then if you click on lock screen, this is the display. And whenever you'd like to apply it, tap on confirmation mark, then decide if it's for both or just lock or home screen. But I will pick both, and as you can see from now on, you've got this brand new wallpaper covering your screen. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.